Afternoon. Afternoon, UAE. Good evening, Philippines. How are you all today? How was your day going so far? Anyway, I'll just pick up the kids in school. The school is that almost 1:30. I just pick up the kids. It's good. The school is very near. It's next building from the house. Anyway, guys. Hello. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday and enjoy your day. So like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.